Hello everyone, this is Saint Shopper and let's go explore Banjara Market with me. So this is Banjara Market. This is the first time I'm coming to Banjara Market actually, but uh, right now if I can see this is not as much as crowded because of maybe because of Corona or something. But these are the frames and there are various shops, carpets, rugs, wooden items, furnitures. Look at these beautiful tables. Here we have this lamp. इस बुद्धा की प्राइसेस क्या है?
2500 का मैम। कोई सा
ये वाला कोई भी
कोई भी
सारे वहाँ तक? Other decorative pieces. Let's see. Such beautiful pieces. The candles, wall hangings. You can find different kinds of mirrors, frames, and trays, anything decorative houses. And that's me. Here is a little dining table for the small families, for people can sit. In Banjara Market, actually, you can find every decor item. Every decor item. Here you can find different kinds of these, mirror frames. I think Banjara Market is most famous for these things, these Banjara things. So these are the beautiful partition things. Wooden carvings. These are wooden carvings. You can also, just hang them on wall. Here are some lamps, beautiful lamps. I always wanted this kind of lamp and maybe today I buy something if I get the prices nice. Another decorative pieces, lots of aunties, decorative boxes. That this place is quite crowded every time, but today I'm just noticing that there are not a lot of people here. So this is another stall of furniture. So quite creative furniture we can find here. If you are looking for something creative, artistic piece of furniture art, you can go for it. Little lamps.
नीचे लगा देना ऐसे, इसको ऐसा है, ऐसे रख दिया,
ये इसके अंदर ही है, ये दोनों इसके अंदर।
Some other lamps as well. Okay, I know the prices of these kind of lamps from Myntra because I have already checked the prices on Myntra, but yeah, I will ask them and maybe if I bargain I'll get some good prices for these lamps. So here are some more pieces of art. Another kind of mirror, such beautiful mirror. My boots are visible in it. That's me again. in the mirror. So here are we see the lamps again. Actually, lamps are very important in a house. Very important piece of art you should have in your house. So this is the most renowned creative market of whole NCR. So whenever people feel like they need something creative for their house, they just come here. They just straight come here and they find various beautiful things here. See, this is rest chair, armchair, tables, artistic. Let's see those clocks, the beautiful stand clocks. Isn't it nice? And here is another creative item made by God. Gogo. See how they have made this. And they just assemble different shapes of wood and they put it together to make this beautiful dining table. You can see me in the mirror. Another piece. Beautiful small cabinet, small sitting things. Very nice. These are pottery pieces. Actually, pottery can be easily found in different places in your city as well. But the thing they have, the furniture they have, you cannot find that anywhere. Oh, they have soap dispensers as well. Very nice soap dispensers they have. So I bought these.
6 गिलास 150 रुपए के.
Where I bought these are this is so cute. Actually, this is a soup mug, soup bowl. Actually, I bought these two, and I got this for 50, one for 50, and this is soap dispenser, so beautiful and artistic. I bought these two for 150, two for 150 from this shop of pottery, from the Didi. Didi, एक बार हाय बोला.
Hi.
See, this is a shop which has all the wooden material, and every piece is a piece of art. Every piece is amazing. Every piece is unique. This white cabinet, this is so beautiful. These you can just order these and they will give you. And this is all brand new. This is all fresh. Everything is fresh here. Some places, some of the stalls have the second-hand things, I guess, but this stall and this shop has everything that is new. So beautiful, and I find this dining table so pretty and so so ethnic kind of art, and this is so beautiful. So I'm actually buying these, and this table has this, you can sit on this and you can keep something inside as well, because it's a trunk kind of. They have different designs in this, and this is for 1200, this is for 1500, and big one is for more price actually. Then so yeah, here we have lamps, again furniture, again some wooden cutouts and different things, and again this is me in the mirror again. So this is Also a wooden market, and this is very deep actually. Cutouts pieces. So I bought 3 rugs here. So I bought these 3 rugs, and I bought each of these for 500 rupees. And this is a very pretty price. Another rugs. Actually, there is a lot of competition over here. Someone is selling the same thing for 500, someone is selling for the same thing for the 1000 rupees. And so I bought a carpet from the same shop, this red one. Actually, this is double shade carpet, and I got this at a very pretty decent price because auntie is giving a lot of discount. Actually, everyone is giving a lot of discount, and here this rug is also nice. And so I bought this, and I bought this for 1500. And this is a very long one. I'll show you the picture. This is so beautiful, and I got this at a very nice pretty price. So yes, भैया खोल के दिखा दो एक बार बस. How it looks. You can put it in a drawing room, in a room, wherever you want. So yes. So this is the next buy that I am actually buying from here. Actually, I was very looking for the lamp shades and lamps from a very long time. So I was searching on Myntra, Amazon, and various other websites. And I think these will look very nice in the drawing room of my house. I have 3 options: this one, and this one. And I am buying this lamp. They are actually, they are 2 pots. These are 2 pots, and the one is stuck inside the big one. And now they are just breaking the small one because they have to choose only one. Again, pottery. So this is a set of 3 bowls, and this is for, it has 3 sizes, and this is for 500. This is for 500. Small potteries. I love small potteries, and this is for 20 rupees, and I'm buying these. Bottle. They all have different prices for the different products, but you have to choose from where you have to buy, from which shop you have to buy, and for how much you have to buy. This bowl is nice. I'm stuck over pottery only. So this is all about Banjara Market, and tell me, how do you like the video in the comment section? And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Yeah, and thanks for watching.